Hello, I'm Hannah Wallace and welcome to Finextra. Today we're in Munich to meet with Gerhard Bystricky of UniCredit, and we're going to be discussing pan-European instant payments. Gerhard, thank you very much for having us.
It's great to have you here, Hannah. Thank you.
Firstly, it'd be great to hear your reflections on the progress of pan-European instant payments since the launching.
So UniCredit was one of 17 banks that began offering instant payments back in November 2017. In fact, we were the first bank that executed a cross-border transaction from Germany to Italy in 2.5 seconds. So really impressive. Since that day, the coverage has been extended to more than 20 banks in 11 countries. 6 months on, there are a lot of positives to take. We've seen an excellent client uptake and system stability. The challenge now is for banks, corporates and regulators to address the challenges that have arisen. Ensuring efficient end-to-end processes, facilitating the initiation of bulk instant payments, managing exceptions and reporting are all topics needs to be addressed going forward. Yet the progress overall so far has been overwhelmingly positive.
Okay, and following on from that nicely, what are some of the practical experiences you've seen?
So first of all, we've seen a surprisingly high number of transactions, higher than expected, around about 30%. And if you consider that the scheme is non-mandatory, and the coverage is still limited, there is already a strong commitment also from the clients to use instant payments. To underline that, there are roughly 2/3 of transactions which are processed from the C2C space, from retail and online banking channels, where the client has actively chosen instant payments as a method of payment via another option. Round about 1/3 of transactions took place in the C2B space. Again, this is also higher than expected. Given the fact clients are already embracing the benefits of instant payments, so mandatory feedback on unsuccessful transactions is providing them certainty and security. Also, the average amount in the low 4-digit range is also higher than expected. Considering all these topics, we see instant payment is successful in terms of user engagement and system stability, and 95% of transactions are processed within 3 seconds, well below under the EPC target of 10 seconds. So we are really proud of that.
And finally, where to next? What needs to be done to grow the volumes and value of these payments?
Instant payment is live and running, but there are always areas we can improve. So for example, I see 3 areas for improvement. First of all, exception handling. In the exception handling, we have cases where we get unspecific reason codes from other banks. Finally, we have to provide our clients also an unclear message. To improve the situation, we have to define clear rules and specific return reason codes to tell the client what had happened and if the transaction can be executed a second time via a different method of payment. The second topic is considering the bulk payment initiation. We are looking currently how corporates can initiate bulk payments and how to manage rejections, including a second execution via a different method of payment. The third topic, which I'd like to raise, is coming in the reporting area. So currently there is no instant information available for the corporate clients in case a transaction is arriving on the beneficiary account. The next step in the process chain cannot be initiated immediately. So considering all these topics, we see that overall instant payment is already on the right path and we achieved a lot. We have to adjust minor topics and we have to improve the reachability and we have to expand to the markets that can handle instant payments. Beyond that, we have to open up the dialogue from ourselves with our clients to ensure we make the most value what instant payments creates.
Gerhard, it's been lovely speaking with you today. Thank you.
Many thanks, Hannah.
And thank you for watching.